We're gonna unbox Gooloo jump starter. Okay, so this one it's only costs $20, so we're gonna try it today, and we'll see if it's worth it. So this one, it's been already charged overnight. We're just gonna have a quick test. Hopefully it will work. For the price of $20. Okay. How this works. So here's the Gooloo Jump Starter Power Bank Elite Series. So it has a battery capacity of 55.5 WH. Starting current is 400A. Peak current is 1500A. A means maybe amperes. So we're gonna try. We'll see. See? It's a full charge. We're gonna try it in my car. So there you go. Let's go. So I already unplugged the battery here, and let's connect them. Wait. Okay, let's try. Let's put the here. Positive. Okay, moment of truth. I hope it will start. No, it's not working. Let's redo it. Turn it on. Green. And I have to press this button. It says boost. Then press it on. There you go. Went on. Moment of truth. Let's see if it's worth it. Yay! It worked! It worked! Yay! Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Peace and love.